Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa. Welcome to your Inner Physician Strategy session. Are you looking for financial stability, financial security? Well, you need to fire your CFO, which is generally younger than the age of 7. Yes, you have made a decision somewhere to put your child you as a CFO of your company. Get her out of there. Get him out of there. Give him a ball. Give him a lollipop. Let him go play. And you become the stable adult for your financial security and your financial fluidity. And get real and raw about your financial situation. No more vagueness. Invite collaboration. It might just make you a lot of money in the long run. Like us and follow us for more strength in you as you heal even more. Go be great.